Lebanon has confirmed a series of explosions across the country, resulting in the deaths of at least 8 people and injuring 2,750 others. According to the reports, the blasts were caused by exploding handheld pages. Health Minister Fayez Abiyad further informed that 200 people are in critical condition after the communication devices exploded on September 17. He also said that the victims are receiving treatment in over 150 hospitals. Earlier, Arab media had reported that some 1,000 Hezbollah operatives so far have been injured by exploding pages and radios. Reports suggest that Hezbollah figures in Syria were also injured in the apparently simultaneous blasts. Also injured was Iran's ambassador to Lebanon, Mujtaba Ambari. Social media is in rife with the videos that caught the explosions. Their aftermath and chaos in Lebanon's hospitals and unverified Arab media reports have attributed and pledged to an Israel cyber attack. However, no official statement has been released by the Israeli military regarding the explosions in Lebanon.